Okay, here I have a question. I think it is by Cynthia. Before we buy a new product for our store, what is the good list of things to think about ahead of time? Like what work can be done before it arrives, or why I should or shouldn't purchase it. So this is like a 50 questions in one. Cynthia is a wonderful inventor of Wearloom silver necklace, and her brand Turns Grief to Gold helps women to celebrate family and deal with miscarriage. She has the most wonderful pendants, most wonderful silver necklace. Before you buy a new product, you need to answer this one question to me. Are you already selling 25 units per day of your product on average? If your answer is no, forget about a new product. But when do you buy a new variation? This is a different question, because these 25 units of your product per day includes all variations that you have. If we're talking about clothing, I would wait until I have at least 25 to 30 clients who have bought my item until I start developing a new variation. 50 sounds even better. On the scale of sales of products, 50 is nothing. But I would say this is probably the first place where you can start thinking about the next variation, because once you have it, you already have about 50 clients who most likely will buy it, or at least half of them will buy your next variation. You do not buy a new product until 25 units on average of your existent are being sold per day. And you can't think about buying a variation at the moment that you sold 50 units of your existing product. You shouldn't purchase a product just to purchase a product. It is always a strategic decision, and you should not purchase a new product if you did not establish your sales volumes with the old product.